I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a social media app on Adalo full guide. Start by defining core features, user flows, and a clean data model. This prevents wasted time. Next, prioritize authentication, profiles, and posting capabilities. Break the work into small tasks and build one feature at a time so you can test interactions quickly. Keep the interface simple and iterate based on feedback from real users. Begin with the essentials: splash, login, onboarding, and a basic profile screen connected to your user collection. Then focus on the feed. Build components for posts, likes, and comments, and optimize queries to avoid slow loads. Use reusable components for postcards and buttons to maintain consistency. Test each screen on different device sizes and refine spacing, touch targets, and navigation paths to ensure smooth and friendly interactions. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me keep making guides. Quick recommendation: socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I use them on long coding sessions and they stay comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned earlier, plus templates to speed development. And now let's get back to the video. Wire up relationships between users, posts, comments, and follows to manage permissions and feeds. Use conditional actions to hide or show elements based on user state, and validate inputs to prevent bad data. Implement optimistic updates for likes so the UI feels responsive, then sync reliably in the background. Finally, add notifications and simple analytics to measure engagement and iterate on features that keep users coming back to your app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.